All right, everybody, this is our third break. We've hit some big names, nothing super rare, at least in the big names. We had a Hunter Dozier to 25. That was pretty cool. But, we've hit Sano, Meadows, Appel, Tavares, Correa. We've hit a lot of good autos. Of course, you're going to hit a lot of autos in this. It's going to be like almost 30 autos each break. Akeem Bostic for the Rangers. Akeem Bostic auto. Patrick Murphy for the Blue Jays to 200. Tom Windle for the Dodgers. 332 out of 671. Tom Windle for the Dodgers. All right, Pisco. We'll talk to you later, buddy. We've got another USA, Daniel Cabrera. So that's going to go to the Angels. Daniel Cabrera. So we ended up hitting a USA jersey in every single box so far. And the Angels have an extra hit in all three breaks. The Mets have an extra hit in the second break. Got a redemption. Hunter Green for the Angels. Hunter Green. Trey Ball. Anthony Garcia. Auto to 100. 72 out of 100. Anthony Garcia for the Cardinals. Luke Farrell. 377 out of 673. On-card auto. A really nice auto, too. For the Royals. We've got a green elite, Corey Black for Chicago. 2 of 25. I don't know if he's White Sox or Cubs, but I'll figure it out. Got a redemption. Ahmed Rosario. Die cut common signature, so that's to 100. Ahmed Rosario. Can somebody get me a team for him? Good old Ahmed. Paul O'Neill and Cole Stewart. Teddy Stankiewicz for the Red Sox. 1 out of 100. 1 out of 100 on the Teddy Stankiewicz for the Red Sox. That's a eBay 1 of 1. It's also a palindromic 1 of 1. Those are fancy when you can get those, let me tell you. Ernie, did you look that up? DJ Peterson for Seattle. Nice card. 82 out of 299. DJ Peterson for the Seattle Mariners. Nice hit. That's a really nice card right there. All right, guys. Let's see how many autos we ended up with. Alright, thank you. Alright, guys, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 autos. That's not bad. 8 autos. And then there's going to be another 18 in here, so that'll give us 26 autos for this break. All right, here we go. Jake Odorizzi for the Rays. Clint Frazier for the Indians. Nice card. Clint Frazier auto. Phil Irvin for the Reds. And Evan Gattis for the Braves. All right, CC Sabathia. Andrew Church for the Mets. Ventura, Yordano Ventura for the Mariners, and then CJ Edwards for the Cubs, and that is 22 out of 125. So nice hit on the Clint Frazier. Of draft, just 2 boxes. Just 2 boxes. You got to get them quick because I had to get up really early and I'm dying. If you can't tell. Aaron Hicks, 15 out of 25. 15 out of 25 for the Twins. Evil Knievel for the Detroit Tigers. Michael Lorenzen for the Reds. And Patrick Kivlahan for the Mariners out of 99. 77 out of 99. It's eBay 7 of 9. CJ Cron, that's a nice gold. 25 out of 50. That's an eBay 1 of 2 on the CJ Cron. eBay 1 of 2. 25 out of 50. And then we've got Chris Anderson for the Dodgers. Nick Schufo for the Rays. And then Tyler Austin. 23 out of 50. Tyler Austin for the Yankees. All right. Dominic Smith for the Mets, a refractor. Mick Jagger for the Yankees. Jake Sweeney. And Urias for the Dodgers. Julio Urias. All right, guys, last pack. Last pack. We've got Nick Kingham. Pirates, Brad Miller. Mariners, and this was a horrible pack. Ryan Eads for the Twins. All right, guys, going to go back through those for you. You got Twins, Eads, auto. Brad Miller, Mariners. Kicking a junk for the Pirates. Urias, Dodgers. Sweeney for the Phillies. Mick Jagger for the Yankees. Tyler Austin, gold for the Yankees. Schufo for the Rays. Chris Anderson for the Dodgers. Kivlahan to 99 for the Mariners. Michael Lorenzen for the Reds. Evil Knievel for the Detroit Tigers. Got a blue. Aaron Hicks for the Twins. CJ Edwards Green to 125 for the Cubs. Ventura, Giordano Ventura for the Royals. Mets, Andrew Church. Evan Gattis for the Braves. Phil Irvin for the Reds. And Clint Frazier. Best auto we hit for the Indians. All right, guys. So, I mean, most teams got a hit. I mean, if you're the Yankees, you got multiple hits. Yankees, Mariners seem to really do very well, but a lot of the other teams, Royals, Indians, Reds, Cardinals, they did really good. So, let me save this video.